Here, parameterized constructor and default constructor are the two types of constructors in Java. And the difference between default constructor and parameterized constructor is that default constructor passes no arguments, but parameterized constructor has mandatorily passes arguments. So I'm going to write a Java code for this. I'm going to create a package name since it's an Eclipse platform. It's an IDE. And I'm going to create a class name which is public. So I'm going to create this class name as parameterized constructor. I'm going to initialize some instance variables and a new keyword, and this object is used to grab those variables and give us an output. So I'm going to name them string B. And here we are going to call a constructor here, but uh, for easy understanding, I'm going to return this public static void main statement, main method. I'm not going to return any of the values. I'm giving the void type here, main. And now here I'm going to create an object. So for creating an object, I'm going to copy the class name here. And my first object name could be obj. And yes, here the constructor has been created. Here, now we have seen this parameterized constructor is undefined this. So here, now I need to give this variables here. So here I'm going to give this integer a comma string, or else we can simply give this directly. We can give them 50 comma. We can give the string name as um, Java, right? So here two parameters were passed into this, and now I'm going to replace this as Python since this is my second object. And here I'm going to call the constructor. Here the constructor has been created. We got the red line here because the constructor hasn't been called, but it has been created. So now I'm going to call the constructor parameterized constructor, right? Here now I'm going to include the values integer c comma string b, right? Here now we can yes, we can include this c equal to a and d equal to b, right? So what does it mean? The value of a is getting copied into the variable c, and the value, the string stored in b variable is copied and passed into the variable d. So here, yes, system dot out dot. Let's see, I haven't used this new keyword. So this is the reason it is showing error here since before. So once I remove this new keyword, this is the particular keyword where all the program depends here. Here, like I got the red line here when we remove the new statement, new keyword. So yes. Now I'm going to give the values. ob obj dot a equal to 12 and obj dot b equal to, so like we have already given the parameters, but again, we can change the parameters also. So now I'm giving it as C++. Yes. Now we can run this code. Yes. Now here